Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garden kit is probably one of the most rewarding gifts you can give your child, fostering a love for nature, responsibility, and patience from a young age. It allows them to witness the miracle of growth firsthand, nurturing their curiosity and appreciation for the environment while having fun and learning valuable life lessons. This video will help you choose the perfect kit to cultivate your child's green thumb. Number 5. Paint and Plant Kit. It's time to get creative and plant your own beautiful garden. Let's open the box and see all the amazing things inside. Pick your favorite colors and paint the planter however you like. Let your imagination run wild and make it uniquely yours. Personalize your plant markers with fun designs. This is your chance to add a special touch to your garden. Now for the best part, planting the seeds. Gently place the seeds in the soil and give them a little water. Watch them grow. Follow the simple instructions and you'll soon have a vibrant garden of marigolds, cosmos, and zinnias. Enjoy the beautiful colors and pleasant scents. It's a fun and educational experience that teaches about the life cycle of plants. This kit is perfect for kids of all ages. What we like. It lets you paint your own planter and plant markers before planting. It's a fun way to learn about plant life cycles. If you are looking for a creative and educational activity that combines art and gardening, this is the perfect choice for your kids. What people say. She had fun decorating it and planting the seeds. And within a very short time the seeds did sprout. My kids and I enjoyed creating this flower pot together. Really neat how the compressed soil expands with water. My kids loved that. Came with seeds, soil, labels and watering utensils. Good family project. The packaging was exceptional. Heavy-duty cardboard box with great graphics made it easy to see what was inside without having to open the package. The paint and brush were both of excellent quality. The paint went on the metal bin easily, consistently, and looks fabulous when finished. Number 4. Creativity Mini Garden Dino. Unleash your inner paleontologist. This kit lets you create your own mini dinosaur garden, complete with a unique egg-shaped environment. It's more than just a toy, it's a hands-on science experiment. Decorate, plant, and watch your chia seed sprout in just days. Looking for a unique gift? This kit combines creativity, science, and fun, making it ideal for kids who love hands-on activities. Simply add water and watch your dinosaur garden come to life. The quick-growing chia seeds and easy-to-follow instructions make it perfect for young gardeners. This STEAM-based activity encourages learning and exploration. It's a fantastic way to nurture a child's love for nature and science. The kit contains non-toxic potting mix and chia seeds, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for your child. It's proudly made in the USA by Creativity for Kids. What we like. This kit features a dinosaur egg-shaped planter and includes fun Jurassic-themed decorations. The chia seeds sprout quickly, providing instant gratification. If your child loves dinosaurs and enjoys hands-on science activities, this kit will be a big hit. What people say. Was easy to put together for a 6-year-old, though definitely on the messy side. The seeds sprouted very quickly, which is great for impatient kids, lol. Looked cute when put together, served as a great last-minute gift. It includes enough materials for you to replant the seeds again after it grows the first time as well. My daughter had a blast with this mermaid terrarium kit. She worked on it for over 2 hours, smiling the whole time as she put it all together herself. The end result is so cute, she's really proud of her creation. This was a great activity that kept my 6-year-old entertained and engaged. She loved making her own little underwater scene with the glass container, sand, mermaid figurine, and other decorations. As a parent always on the lookout for imaginative activities to engage my children's creativity, the Creativity for Kids Mermaid Garden Mini Terrarium Craft Kit has been a delightful discovery. Designed for children aged 6 to 8 and beyond, this enchanting kit combines the magic of mermaids with the wonder of gardening, resulting in a captivating crafting experience. The mermaid garden theme immediately captured my child's imagination. The allure of mermaids paired with the fascination of gardening creates an irresistible combination that ignites creativity and curiosity. From crafting tiny mermaid figurines to arranging miniature plants, every step of the process is filled with wonder and excitement. This kit provides everything needed to create a whimsical mermaid garden terrarium, making it an all-in-one crafting experience. From the terrarium container to the soil, seeds, decorative sand, and mermaid figurines, no detail has been overlooked. Number 3. Bryte Unicorn Garden Kit. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or holidays. This unique kit offers a fun way to decorate and grow real plants. Everything you need is included: a dome, paint, figurines, crystals, seeds, and LED lights. It's ready for creative fun. Let your imagination run wild. It's an ideal toy to spark creativity and a love for nature. It's both educational and entertaining, perfect for science projects or arts and crafts. It blends learning with playtime. Made with high-quality, kid-safe materials. It's designed to make nature exploration delightful and safe for your child. It's a great hands-on activity to keep kids entertained and away from screens. It encourages play and discovery. What we like? It comes with a magical unicorn theme and includes LED lights for a whimsical touch. Everything you need is included in one box, making it super convenient. If you're looking for a magical and enchanting garden experience for your child, this kit is perfect. What people say. My 4-year-old is so proud of her fairy garden. Not only did she have fun painting and decorating, but she loves to see how the grass has grown and changed each morning. She waters it herself and takes a lot of pride in that part too. Absolutely everything you need for it is in the box, and the instructions are very helpful and thorough. I liked the bright, vibrant paint colors, and the unicorn and fairies are so cute. My daughter loved painting them and plays with them every day. The gems, fairy house, and star glitter to decorate with were a big hit too. And the grass started growing in only 2 days. This is a great way to introduce children to making a fairy garden. It includes everything needed to create a beautiful garden, and what is really special is that it includes the seeds to start growing plants, which give your child a chance to learn how plants grow and how to take care of growing things. This kit offers a child a fun and educational activity. Number 2. Bryte Unicorn Terrarium. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This plant terrarium kit is perfect for sparking a child's imagination and creativity. Everything you need is included. It has an acrylic dome, paint, unicorns, crystals, a castle, seeds, and fairy lights, all ready for an enchanting experience. This isn't just a kit, it's a journey of creation. Let your child design and decorate their own magical unicorn habitat. It's more than just a toy, it's an educational experience that combines science, art, and imaginative play. Made with high-quality, kid-safe materials, it ensures a fun and worry-free crafting experience for your child. It's a fantastic hands-on activity that encourages play and discovery, keeping kids entertained and away from screens. What we like? It has a beautiful unicorn theme and includes LED lights to create a magical atmosphere. This kit includes all the necessary materials, simplifying the setup process. If you want a complete and enchanting experience for your child, this kit is a great option. What people say. Setting it up was easy and fun. The grass grew like crazy. We didn't put the lights in until the grass grew, and then we made it a nightlight. The grass grew so much we actually trimmed it. She loved painting the unicorns and castle and planting the seeds. The seeds sprouted within days, much to my surprise, and the grass is still going strong. I like that the kit supplies you with lots of seeds, so we can continuously plant new ones when we want to do so. The light string has nice colors and is surprisingly bright. Painting the unicorns, Castle U0026 Rainbow first was so fun for her. Then putting together the terrarium, including planting the seeds, was awesome. Sprouts were showing the very next day. By day 7, the grass was so full and already touching the top. She had a blast trimming the grass too. We got a spray bottle from dollar store which works perfectly to keep soil moist. She sprays water on it each morning and we put it back on windowsill which gets morning sun. Instant gratification. Oh, and don't forget to watch the roots which are totally visible. Number 1. Creativity Magic Bean Garden. It's time to get creative and grow your own magical bean garden. Watch in amazement as your beans sprout and reveal hidden messages. Personalize your planter with vibrant colors, then plant the magic beans and watch them grow. It's a fun and easy process for everyone. This isn't just planting, it's a science experiment. Discover the wonder of nature as you watch your beans grow and reveal their secrets. As your beans sprout, you'll uncover special messages hidden on the pods. It's a delightful surprise that adds to the fun. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This kit combines art, science, and gardening into one magical experience. It's perfect for kids aged 5 to 8. This kit has everything you need to start your magical garden: paints, a planter, a brush, soil, and of course, the magic beans. Just add water and watch the magic happen. What we like? Grow magic beans that reveal surprise messages. You get to paint and decorate the pot before planting. If you're searching for a unique and engaging activity that combines gardening with a touch of magic, this kit is a must-have. What people say. My daughter absolutely loved growing this plant, and how much she got to make it her own. I'm amazed at how they're able to have the words actually on the plant. So cool. These plants grow quickly and are super easy. This was such a fun kit. It's a great gift for kids of all ages. Excellent quality materials. Our basil and tomatoes grow well. It came with stickers and a blank hardcover book to decorate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.